In this institute also we do a lot of programs of teaching science to the monks and nuns in the monasteries and nunneries. The reason is in a way quite simple, because science talks primarily about the physical world. I am using the word primarily. Now in the case of Buddhism, it primarily focuses on mind management or mind training. Now as a human being we have a body and also a mind. So it is important to take both of these two features, important features of human, life, the physical and the mental. So that's very, very important. And then moreover, like we have got much benefit from scientific inventions, like many of these technological products, like medicine and so forth. There is no question about their usefulness. But then at the same time, when the mind is not positive, it is negative, it has also invented destructive nuclear weapons, right? So at the end of the day, again, it's really coming back to the source. You call it technology, you call it science, you call it religion. These are all human inventions of human mind. And the mind, which is the inventor, if it doesn't have a holistic outlook, complete picture, and especially if it doesn't have a universal sense of responsibility, then the mind can play with anything, and which would at the end of the day will become very, very destructive, as we are seeing today.